Hi, this is our A05 Selenium test running video. Here we'll be showing the app that will be performing the following test case scenarios in a particular order. We have already started the server externally, and now we're gonna run the UTA facility system coverage as JUnit test case. So here we have 4 Selenium test cases, as we have 4 test cases to cover. Initially we start with the registration, which includes all the data validations, and then it has login, and it has all basic user functionalities. And the second Selenium test case is that of the admins. Here he can modify the details, and we could see that the profile has been successfully modified. We have just performed all the validations for the registers, and we could see certain functionalities and error messages popping up based on the validations. And we could see that the username is already registered in database. That's another valid error. So we have prepared an n number of test cases which would validate each of the registers functionalities. So this starts with the login validations. We have just seen the error message validations for the login. So here is the create mar, where the user tries to create a mar, and again we are checking for the error messages for the create mar. So we could see that we have successfully created a mar. So now we are registering as a facility manager. We are looking for the list of unassigned mars. And we are assigning a mar to a repairer, and we could see that it is successfully assigned. And now when we are trying to assign it, we could see that it has exceeded for the week because of the rule check that we have provided in our test case. Now again we are checking for the rule check for the day. The first one gets assigned because we just have we can have 5 repairers per day. And now when we are trying to add the 6th one, it says that it has exceeded the number of repairs per day, which successfully validates our rule check. And now we are verifying all the links in the facility manager field. Now we are trying to register as the repairer. We are logging in and we are viewing the assigned repairs. Here we can view the assigned repairs. Okay, now we could see that all our Selenium test cases have been successfully executed, and it shows green. So we have the green JUnit bar running. So as you could see, this is our TC01, 02, 03 and 04. Now we're going to see the Eclipse view of our project and the project organization basically. So we could see that we have a functions folder, and inside the functions folder we have the snapshot function and ufms function.java, where we have the actual execution of our code. And then we have the shared UI map, where we have all the properties set up, and we have the configuration, where we have the configuration.properties. And there is also this folder called screenshots, where we have all the screenshots that we have recorded for each test cases that we have run. And we also have an Excel folder where we have all the CSV files included in it. So these are all the lists of our folder structure in Eclipse. Thank you.